Hello guys, welcome. Selamat datang. Hello guys, welcome. Selamat datang. Okay, so are you guys ready to start? Semua sedia untuk mula? If you are ready, please comment. Ready ya guys? Sedia? Ready. Okay, so we start now guys. Okay, so today is on Form 4 Chapter 7, new topic. Okay, bab yang baru. Okay, we will learn about the distance time graph. Okay, graph jarak masa. Okay, so about distance time graph, okay, you guys need to know some basic lah. Okay, so for distance guys, jarak, what is the unit that we usually use? Anyone? Apa unit dia untuk jarak? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? What is the common unit for distance? Okay, cm sama lagi. I need all the units guys. Semua unit yang kamu fikir boleh bagi. Everything. All the units. Yes, meter sama. Yes, km, okay, mm, okay, very good. Enough lah guys. Empat yang ni utama lah. Okay, these are the four main units for distance. Okay, but in your SPM, the major one is meter and kilometer. Okay, yang paling banyak ditanya dua-dua yang ni. Okay, they always ask meter and kilometer for your maths. For your maths. Okay, Form 4 Chapter 7. Okay, so these are the major ones. Alright. Okay, so time, masa, apa unit dia guys? Biasanya kita guna. What is the famous units? Okay, some more. Second, lagi. Yes, very good. Minute, lagi. Yes, okay, you have hour also. Correct. Okay, so it's second, minute, hour. Okay, saat, minit, dan jam. Okay, so yang biasanya soalan tanya, okay, normally question will ask second and hour. Okay, these two are the common ones. Okay, so guys, so far, understand? Semua faham? So you guys just need to be careful with the unit. Sometimes question they can trick you guys with the unit. Dia boleh bagi kamu buat silap sebab dia main unit. Okay? Alright, so first step, you guys must know that vertical axis, paksi mencancang, mewakili jarak. Okay, this one is representing distance. Okay, the y-axis. Okay, paksi y mewakili jarak. Okay, and then your x-axis, paksi mengufuk, mewakili tempoh masa. Okay, this is representing your time. Okay, so you guys must be clear. Distance time graph, distance y-axis. Jarak adalah paksi y, masa paksi x. Okay, time is x-axis. Alright. Okay, and then you guys must know the gradient. Gradient of this graph represents what, guys? Okay, it represents the rate of change of distance with time. Okay, dia menggambarkan kadar perubahan jarak terhadap masa. Okay, so apa kuantiti dia, guys? What is the gradient representing? Is distance over time. So distance over time is what? You guys learned the formula before. Jarak bagi masa dapat apa? Yes. Okay, you get the speed. Okay. Speed or velocity lah, guys. Okay, I use symbol V so that more standard. Okay, so it represent the velocity, halaju in BM. Okay, so remember, gradient represent speed, halaju. Okay, speed or velocity lah, guys. Okay, all right. So, okay, you guys must understand. Usually when the question give you distance, jarak, biasanya dia mewakili laju, speed. This is the difference, guys. I think physics, kalau kamu belajar, kamu tahu lah, guys. If they give you guys displacement dalam BM sesaran, dia mewakili halaju, velocity. So this is the difference, guys. Understand? Do you get this concept? Semua faham? So ini beza jarak dan juga sasaran. Okay, ini beza dia. Okay, distance will represent speed, displacement represent velocity. Ini konsep dia guys. Okay, boleh? All of you understand the concept? Boleh ya? Jelas. All clear. So just need to remember this. So this one is scalar. This one is vector. Okay? Jarak ni kuantiti scalar, sasaran kuantiti vector. Itu saja. Okay? Alright, so guys, when you see this graph, the gradient, constant or not constant guys? Kecerunan ni dia malah atau tidak malah? Kalau kamu nampak. Yes. Okay, your gradient here is constant, correct? Okay, so gradient constant, kecerunan malah, maksudnya apa guys? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Dari segi halaju dia, macam mana? In term of your speed or velocity. Yes. Okay, yes, you can say peningkatan seragam, increasing velocity uniformly. Yes, can. Or simply you just say constant lah guys. Okay, simple word. You say constant speed. Laju seragam. Okay. Yang paling senang untuk huraikan laju seragam lah. Tapi bertambah secara seragam pun betul. Okay, increasing velocity uniformly. Can. Okay. So constant speed or increasing velocity uniformly. Okay. Can guys? Faham? So this is what you can interpret from this graph. Ini konsep dia. Okay. Yeah. So far, all of you understand? Semua faham tentang graph ni? Boleh ya? Clear? Okay. Alright. So when you guys got graph of distance and time, right? Okay. This one is meter. This one is second. Betul? Meter and second. So guys, meter bahagi second. You guys get meter per second. Correct? So that's why the gradient represent the speed or velocity. Sebab inilah kecerunan ni mewakili laju atau halaju. Sebab meter bahagi dengan saat. Kamu dapat meter per saat. Faham tak? Okay, kamu boleh main dengan unit juga. Okay? So this is the reason. Okay? So yeah. Okay, continue guys. Okay, so now you guys need to know how to draw the graph. Okay, how to draw a distance time graph. Okay, graph jarak masa. Alright? Okay, so the information is all given guys. You just need to follow your info. Okay, guna saja semua yang ni. So when you draw the graph, this is how you will get. Okay, this is the graph. Okay. So basically you guys just need to plot all these point lah. Okay, kamu plot semua 5 titik ni saja. Okay. This one is your X, this one is your Y. Can? Faham? So coordinate dia 0, 0, 30, 0, 60, 20, 90, 30, and 120, 40. So you guys just need to plot all these points. Okay, use proper scale lah guys. Okay, kamu kena pilih skala yang seragam. Okay, so this one 30, 2 cm kepada 30 unit, paksi X, 2 cm kepada 10 unit, paksi Y. Okay, so yeah, this is the graph you get. Okay, so guys, based on this graph, can you all tell me what is the speed over here? Apa laju dia? Kamu boleh kira. How to find the speed? Any answer? So anyone? Siapa tahu laju dia kat sini? I want the value guys. Saya nak nilai dia. What is the speed for this graph? Okay, yes, the answer is yes, 0.33, correct. Okay, the answer is 40 over 120. Okay, so the answer is 1 over 3. Okay, 1 over 3. Guys, your unit must be careful lah. Kena ikut unit yang soalan bagi. Kilometer per minute. Okay, kilometer per jam salah. and meter per second also wrong. Okay, the unit is kilometer per minute. Okay, if you guys want to convert, can, no problem, but I suggest you guys just maintain same unit lah. Okay, kamu tak perlu tukar pun, ikut saja unit dalam soalan. Okay, just follow it 100%. Okay, can guys? So the answer is 1/3, or you can say 0.33 kilometer per minute. Okay, any problem guys? Are you clear? Jelas how to see the graph? Okay, and then next question. You see the graph like guys. What type of motion is this? Apa jenis gerakan yang ni? Cuba huraikan. Dari segi laju. In terms of speed, how is the speed changing? Based on this graph, is straight line. So, how do you describe? Yes. Okay, you can say increasing velocity uniformly. Peningkatan hal laju secara seragam. Boleh. Okay, macam ni, increasing velocity uniformly, or you can say constant speed, laju seragam. Constant speed or constant velocity also can. Laju seragam atau hal laju seragam. Faham? So yeah, these are the answers. Okay, can guys? So whenever you see straight line graph, actually all the graph in this chapter is straight line, guys. No need to worry. Okay, semua graph dia garis lurus. Okay, all right. You guys can see another example. Okay, so this one they tell you some information. Okay, so they say S is equal to 80t. Okay, and then your t is equal to 3, S is equal to 240. Okay, based on the information. So you need to draw the graph. Okay, kamu kena lukis. So basically you guys just need to choose some random value lah guys. Okay, pilih saja nilai untuk masa. So yang paling senang 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 is maximum. Okay, because question sudah bagi tahu selama 3 jam. Okay, so 3 hours is the maximum untuk nilai T. Okay, just the highest. Okay, and then you guys just use S equal to 80t. You can get all this value. Okay, gantikan saja dan dapat jawapan. Okay, just need to sub all the values inside. Okay, all right. So yeah, you will get this graph. Okay, this is your distance time graph. Okay, jarak melawan masa. So again guys, can you tell me what is the speed over here for this graph? Apa laju dia yang kamu boleh kira? Make sure put unit also guys. Your answer must always come with unit. This chapter, right guys, unit very important. Unit dia sangat penting. Okay. So anyone? Yes. Okay, basically you just take 240 divide by 3 lah guys. Okay, 240 over 3. So your answer is 80. Yes. Kilometer per hour or kilometer per jam. Okay. Okay. Paham guys? Do you get the concept? So just need to find gradient. Basically the concept is find gradient for speed. Soalan suruh cari laju, kamu cari kecerunan graph. Okay? Alright. Now got extra question for you all. Okay, the extra question is area under the graph. Yes. Gradient is always y over x guys. Remember. Okay, kecerunan rumus dia macam ni. Okay? Y bagi x. Alright? Okay, so guys, if I'm talking about the area under this graph, luas bawah graph ni dia mewakili kuantiti apa guys? Siapa tahu? The area under a distance time graph, what quantity does it represent? Luas bawah graph jarak melawan masa. No, apa quantity dia? What is a quantity that represent by the area under this graph? What do you guys think? It's a kebat question. Ni tu tak perlu. Saya tanya kuantiti saja. Kuantiti maksudnya macam pecutan. Maksudnya macam apa lagi? Hal laju. Okay? Physical quantity. Okay? Okay, so actually right guys, you can check and see. Kilometer, jam. So guys, area under graph. Area under graph you guys must times, right? Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. because it's triangle. Correct? Half times base times height. Correct? So what quantity is it? It's kilometer times jam. So guys, what is this quantity? Kilometer jam. Ada quantity tak sebenarnya? Do you guys get a physical quantity over here? Kilometer jam. Pernah dengar tak? What do you guys think? Actually, there is no physical quantity that can be represented by the area under this graph. Okay, tak ada kuantiti fizik yang mewakili luas bawah graf ni. Faham tak? Sebab yang ni graf jarak melawan masa. Ingat. Okay, jarak melawan masa tak ada kuantiti yang mewakili luas bawah graf. Okay, no quantity for area under graph. Okay, understand guys? Just remember this thing. So if question asks you, soalan tanya apa kuantiti yang mewakili luas bawah graf jarak melawan masa, jawapan dia tiada. Boleh? Semua faham? There is no answer. Okay? Because the unit is like this. Kamu pernah jumpa tak guys? Unit macam ni. Have you all seen such unit? Yes or no? Kilometer jam. Have you all seen this unit? Tell me guys, pernah dengar tak? Pernah kan? Maksudnya, tak ada jawapan lah. Okay? You never heard this unit, so that's why there is no quantity. Okay? Simple as that. Okay? Alright. So next question. Okay, so for this graph, again, they give you guys equation S equal to 8 minus 1 over 5t. Kamu kena ikut. Okay, this is your domain 40. 0 until 40, yes. Betul. Jam tu kena kuasa negatif 1. Baru ada. Kalau kuasa 1, tak ada. Okay? So guys, you just need to plot 2 points. Okay, 2 titik sudah cukup. When you plot these 2 points, you can already draw the graph. Okay, so guys, whenever you have equation, right? When you want to find coordinate, kan? Always find the x-intercept and y-intercept. Ini yang paling senang. Okay, kamu cari pintasan x dan cari pintasan y. Maksudnya, x sama dengan kosong, y sama dengan kosong. Okay, you just make the assumption x equals 0 and y equals 0. That's all. Then you can get your answer. Then you guys just plot lah. Okay, your coordinate is 0, 8 and 40, 0. Straight line. Okay, garis lurus saja. So guys, when you see this graph, gradient, negative or positive? May I know guys, this gradient? Kecerunan dia ke sini positif atau negatif? Ya, negatif kan? Yes. Okay, so negative gradient means what guys? Over here. Maksud dia apa? Dalam konteks soalan ni. Jarak melawan masa. What you guys can interpret from here. So a gradient negative mean that yes, correct. Okay, that it is decreasing velocity uniformly. Okay, we use the word uniformly, guys, for those take English. Uniformly or constantly. Okay, dia adalah halaju yang berkurang secara seragam. Faham tak? Ataupun kamu boleh kata, how to say velocity this one can lah. Yang ni pun dah cukup dah sebenarnya. Okay, decreasing velocity uniformly. Can. Or you can say constant speed also still can. Constant speed. Okay, laju seragam. Tapi kamu kena bagi tahu dia berkurang lah. Faham tak? Okay, sebab kecerunan dia negatif. Okay, decreasing velocity uniformly. Okay, can guys? Do you get the concept? So yeah. Okay, why I say is decreasing? Because the question is distance and time. Guys, when you talk about distance, distance is scalar or vector? May I know? For those who take physics, kamu tahu. Jarak ni quantity scalar atau vector? Simple. Anyone? Distance. Yeah. Okay, distance is quantity scalar. Correct? Scalar quantity. So guys, scalar quantity, does it have direction? Yes or no? Ada arah tak? untuk quantity scalar. Tak ada kan? Okay, no direction. Tak ada arah. So guys, when you got negative, means what? Negative ni maksudnya kamu tengah berkurang lah nilai dia. Sebab tak ada arah. Okay, no direction. So confirm the negative sign is for decreasing speed. Laju tu tengah berkurang. Itu sebab ada negatif. Faham tak? So this is the reason. Okay? So this is what you can interpret from this graph. Okay, so now, if I ask you guys to count the speed, kamu kena kira laju kat sini guys. Berapa jawapan dia? Based on this graph, what do you think is the answer? Just need to count gradient. But be careful lah guys. Now I ask you all to count speed, you know. Saya suruh cari laju. So anyone? Ada jawapan? Anyone? Come on. What is the speed guys for this question? Apa laju dia? Just need to count gradient guys. Remember, when question asks to find speed, right? You need to find gradient. Okay, kamu kena cari kecerunan. Okay? Yes. Okay. When you guys write answer, right? Remember, when question asks to find speed, right? You always put positive. Kilometer per minute. Jangan letak negatif. Faham tak? Sebab laju adalah quantity scalar. Okay, speed is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity tak ada positif negatif. Faham tak? Kita lihat magnitude saja. Magnitude maksudnya apa? Nilai. Nilai dia. Okay, we just see the value only guys. So positive, negative, we don't care one. Okay? We only care how much is it? 0.2. Okay? So whenever question asks speed, right? You answer like this. If question asks velocity, soalan tanya hal laju, baru kamu jawab negatif 0.2. Okay, sebab hal laju dia kena ambil kira positif negatif. Okay? Velocity is vector. Vector quantity. So vector quantity you need to see positive or negative. Okay? Do you all understand guys the difference over here? Boleh faham perbezaan jawapan kat sini? Satu positif, satu negatif. Scalar, kamu positif. Vector, kamu negatif. That's all. So speed is positive, velocity is negative. Okay? Itu saja. Faham? Semua jelas? So this is the concept. So if they ask for speed only, yes, very good. Correct. That is the concept. Okay? So always see carefully what the question asks you guys. Kalau dia tanya laju, tak perlu letak negatif. Walaupun kecerunan tu negatif. Faham tak? Tapi bila dia tanya hal laju, baru kamu letak negatif. Okay? Sebab hal laju ni dia melihat simbol positif atau negatif. Sebab quantity vector. Okay? Itu konsep dia. Alright? Can guys? Clear? Okay, so now we try some exercise guys. Contoh saja untuk lakar graph. Okay, I give you guys a situation. Then you can understand guys. Okay, situation guys. The situation is, okay, let's say now you are walking guys. Kamu tengah berjalan berjalan ke okay lah sekolah. Okay, let's say you guys are going to your school. Okay, this one is the school guys. Okay, kamu berjalan. Okay, let's say your velocity is 8 cm per second. Okay, ini sorry, your speed. Okay, I must say speed. Laju kamu 8 cm per saat. Okay, boleh bayangkan guys? All of you can imagine, right? Your speed is 8 cm per second. Example. Okay, so now speed is scalar quantity. Quantity scalar. Dia tak melihat arah. Okay, we don't see direction. So, if I walk to the right or I walk to the left, my speed is still the same. Do you all understand guys? Boleh faham? Kamu jalan ke kanan atau ke kiri pun masih 8 cm per saat. Kalau kamu bincang tentang laju. Okay? When you talk about speed, always the same value. Always 8. Whether you go right or left, doesn't matter. Always 8. Because scalar quantity. Okay. Alright, but now if I talk velocity guys, sekarang saya bincang halaju velocity. Okay, if you talk about velocity, let's say guys, to the right I assume as positive. Okay, saya anggap ke kanan nilai dia positif. So, if you guys go opposite direction, automatic you guys must add negative. So to the left is negative 8 cm per second. Do you guys get the concept now? Boleh faham? Sebab velocity ni dia kena lihat arah. Arah tu penting untuk halaju. So when you talk about velocity, to the right, positive 8. To the left, negative 8. This is the difference, guys. Can you see the difference now? All of you? Tengok perbezaan dia. Speed and velocity. Okay? But usually for SPM, they will ask speed. Biasanya, setiap soalan dia tanya laju, bukan halaju. Okay? Sebab graf dia adalah jarak melawan masa. Faham tak? Jarak ni juga adalah kuantiti scalar. Kamu kena faham. Okay? Distance is scalar quantity. Okay? Can guys? All of you clear now? Jelas? Clear? Okay, so now you guys need to draw a distance time graph. Okay, graph jarak melawan masa. Okay? Alright, so 20 minute, 300 meter. Okay, so sudah bagilah. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you guys just need to draw straight away. Okay, so guys, you all tell me what is the scale that you will use for x-axis? Anyone? Cuba bagi tahu saya satu skala untuk paksi x. Kamu lihat nilai 0, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Scale guys. I want scale. Scale means that 2 cm kepada berapa unit? Yes. Okay, your scale is 2 cm to 5, correct? You just need to follow the pattern. Okay, if you say 2 cm to 10 also can, but your graph is small lah. Okay, 5 is the best. Okay, 5 minute. Okay, all right. And then y-axis, guys, what is the scale? Apa skala yang sesuai? Paksi y. 50. Can? Boleh? 50 also can, yeah? Yeah, no problem. Okay, 2 cm to 50 unit. Can? Okay? So you can use this one, 50, 50 how much? Meter. Okay, 50 meter. Understand? So the scale you guys can determine by yourself. Okay, doesn't mean the question always will tell you guys. Tak semestinya soalan kena bagi skala kat kamu. Kadang-kadang kamu kena fikir. Okay? Alright, so now you guys can plot your graph. Okay, so your graph will look like this for question 1. Okay, this is the graph. Okay, distance, meter, time, minute. So kamu boleh lukis lah. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, paham guys? Do you get the graph? So just need to plot all these 5 points. Okay, all right. So now, speed guys, is your speed here positive or negative? May I know? Laju kamu ke sini positif atau negatif? Soalan ni. Now we talk about speed. So anyone? Positive or negative? Yes. Okay, speed always will be positive. Okay. Okay, so now can you guys count for me? What is the value? Apa nilai dia untuk laju berdasarkan graf ni? Wait, sorry. Okay. Yes. Okay, so are you sure 60? Careful hati-hati. 60 is wrong. Yes. Okay, 300 divide 20. Correct. Okay, so the answer is 15 guys. 15 meter per minute. So this is how you write the answer. Okay, make sure put unit guys. Okay, just remember selalunya kena letak unit. Okay, if you guys want full mark, unit tu penting. Okay, okay, so 15 meter per minute. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so if the graph is like this, what type of speed is it, guys? May I know how the speed is changing? Macam mana laju tu berubah? Always you guys must tell keyword. Yes. Okay, you can say uniform speed. Laju seragam. Okay. Yes. Okay. Always use the word speed, guys. Don't suddenly use velocity. Okay. The keyword here is speed. Kamu kena guna laju, bukan halaju. Okay. Sebab sekarang kita bincang tentang jarak. Okay. Alright. So now, number 2. Okay. So question 2, guys. Okay. So can you all tell me what is your scale, guys, for x-axis? Anyone? Apa skala kamu? Yeah. Okay. 2 cm to 0.2 unit. Correct? Okay. 2 cm to 0.2 units. Okay. And then paksi y, y-axis. No. If I were you, I won't use 10 lah, guys. Yeah, I will use 9. Okay, saya akan guna 2 cm kepada 9 unit. Okay, 2 cm to 9. Okay. Because I just want to follow the pattern, guys. Okay, saya nak ikut macam mana dia berubah. Faham tak? Okay, so semua ni tambah 9. Okay. So that's plus 9. Okay. Alright, so yeah, you guys can plot. So your graph akan nampak macam ni. Okay, this is your final graph. Okay. So yeah, again, can you guys help to count the speed for me? Apa nilai dia? Soalan ni. Kalau graf tak cantik macam mana? Kenapa graf untuk yang ni tak cantik? Garis lurus saja, guys. Kamu guna pembaris tau. Semua titik ni kamu kena hubung guna pembaris. Okay, must use ruler one, guys. So if you use ruler, confirm it will be nice lah. Macam mana tak boleh cantik kalau guna pembaris? Faham tak? Pembaris pasti boleh cantik. Okay? So apa nilai dia, guys? Laju. What you guys get? Anyone? What do you guys get for speed? Can you count? Remember, must count gradient, guys. Kamu kena cari kecerunan. Kalau soalan tanya laju. Now is speed. So anyone, do you have answer for the speed? Anyone? Come on. What do you guys get for speed? Yeah. Okay, so it's 45 divided by 1. Okay, so 45 divided by 1, you guys get 45 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is your answer. Understand, guys? Semua faham? So ini cara cari laju. Okay? Yeah. And again, it is constant speed lah. Okay, laju seragam. Kalau ada titik tak kena garis, ya salah. Semua titik ni kena garis guys. Kelima-lima ni kena garis. Faham tak? All these 5 points must touch the line because this line, right, is not like your admaths. Okay, I know some of you guys take admaths, right? Form 4 chapter 6, linear law, hukum linear, ada titik yang tak kena kan. Tapi yang ni bukan macam tu. Bukan macam hukum linear. Yang ni semua boleh kena. Faham tak? Because this mathematics semua titik kena. Tak kira apa graph, dari apa-apa bab pun, semua kena. Okay? Doesn't care, guys. What chapter in your maths also, when you draw a graph, right? Every single point, it must touch. Okay? Remember that. Okay, so now, next question, number 3. Okay, so number 3, S equal to 80 plus 5. So they want to find for 5 seconds. Okay, so very simple, guys. You just need to draw table. Okay, lukis jadual bagi semua nilai. S and T. Okay, I put T and S. T and S. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so anyone? Can you tell me some points? Boleh bagi cadangan? Titik apa saya kena plot? Yang paling senang lah, guys. Okay. The simplest one, you just use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I right? This is the simplest format. You must do until 5 seconds, guys, because question say 5 saat. Okay. So anyone? When T equal to 0. what is your S value? Can you tell me? T sama dengan kosong. So S dapat berapa? Yes. Okay, when T is 0, S is equal to 5, correct? T equal to 1, S equal to? Yes, very good, bagus. T equal to 2? Yes, okay. So you guys can see the pattern tadi. Am I right? Cuba nampak pola dia. Dia adalah tambah 8. Correct? You just need to plus 8. So 21 plus 8, 29. 29 plus 8, 37. 37 plus 8, 45. Settle. Okay, you guys already get all the points. Okay, so total you guys kena plot 6 titik. Okay, 6 points. Okay, so yeah, this is the graph. Okay. Actually over here they only plot 2 points, but it's okay lah. Kamu boleh plot semua titik pun bagus. Kamu akan dapat yang ni. Okay. So this is the final answer. Okay. So again, guys, okay, the difference here is you guys can see here. Cuba nampak guys. Apa maksud dia? Kalau pintasan Y dia macam ni. Kamu nampak tadi ya guys. Just now your graph start with 0. Can you see? Graf tu mula kat asalan. Tapi sekarang, graf dia mula kat 5. Okay, starting from 5. Means what guys? What type of speed is this? Apa jenis laju? This one is a different graph tadi. So if you guys study physics, kamu tahu apa jenis gerakan yang ni. Anyone? Ada idea? What is the type? Yes. Okay, the answer is increasing linearly. Kelajuan ni bertambah secara linear. Kamu boleh cakap bertambah secara linear bila ada pintasan Y kat graf kamu. Faham tak? When you have Y-intercept on your straight line graph, then you can say this thing, increasing linearly. Okay, but if your Y-intercept is 0, you cannot say this. Understand? Bila pintasan Y kosong, tak boleh cakap bertambah secara linear. Okay, kamu kena cakap halaju seragam. Kalau mula kat asalan. Okay, can guys? Do you get the concept? Boleh bezakan? So just need to check. Okay, always check your Y-intercept. Alright? Okay, so now guys, can you help me to count what is your speed over here? Cuba cari laju untuk graf yang ni. Okay, sama-sama. Lagi? More answers? Yes. Okay, so you just need to see this point, guys. This point is 545, and then this point is 0.5. So means that your speed is, just count the gradient lah, guys. Okay, cari keturunan. So your answer is 8. 8? Wait 45. How you guys get 10 Macam mana dapat 10? 545 45 minus 540 over 5. 8 kan? Kamu dapat 8 kan guys? How you guys get 10? Oh, guys, don't count area under graph. I want you guys to count speed, you know. Saya nak kamu cari laju. Faham tak? Okay. We have to minus 5, yeah, correct? Because the Y-intercept is 5. Understand? This is the Y-intercept. 0.5. Okay, guys, remember I told you guys, when you have a graph of distance and time, okay, this one is distance, jarak melawan masa, distance, time, like this. This one, right? Area, okay, luas ni tak ada quantity tau. Okay, there is no quantity that you guys can find from a distance time graph. Remember that. Okay, graf jarak melawan masa tak ada quantity mewakili luas bawah graf. Okay, so there is no way you can count. Okay, understand? Okay, so now next one, question 4. Okay, so for question 4, this is the equation, guys. And then they ask you guys 0 until 8. Okay, now you got many points, right, guys? Ada banyak titik. So, kamu kena bijak sikit. Okay, if you guys smart, wait, when can we use y over x and y? Daniel Hafiz, your two formulas are the same. It's totally the same thing. Understand? Both also you can use. Tak ada beza. Okay, y over x. Okay, simple. I give you guys situation. Okay, I draw here lah. Okay, empty page. Okay, so Daniel Hafiz, listen carefully ya. Dengar betul-betul. Okay, if your graph like this, y, x. Okay, let's say you got coordinate here, 5, 4. Formula for gradient, y over x. Understand? Formula untuk keturunan y bagi x. Sebab kamu mula kat asalan. Faham tak? You are starting from 0. So if you start from 0, apa-apa tolak kosong, tak ada perubahan kan guys? You take any number minus 0 is still the same. So that's why y minus 0 over x minus 0, jawapan dia y bagi x lah. Faham tak? Okay. But if your graph is like this, okay, now I change the graph guys. Graph sekarang dia macam ni. Okay, let's say you got a point here, 0, 2, and you got a point here, 5, 8. Example. So the formula for gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Do you see the difference, guys? Boleh faham perbezaan dua-dua ni? So this is the difference of these two formulas. Okay, actually, if you see carefully, right, is 100% the same one. Dia sama saja. Cuma untuk yang kiri ni, satu koordinat dia kosong kosong. So nilai yang ni kosong, nilai yang ni kosong. So yang ni boleh potong. Y bahagi X. Faham tak? So formula ni dia datang dari sini. Okay? This one is actually coming from this one over here. Okay? Clear guys? So original formula for gradient is this one. Okay, this one is the original yang asal untuk keturunan. Okay? Can faham? Okay, so if distance time kira keturunan, if distance time boleh kira jarak bahagi masa. Jarak bagi masa tu adalah keturunan lah. Kira mochi. Distance times, okay wait, I draw for you. This one is distance. This one is time. So you count distance over time means you count speed. Am I right? Distance over time is equal to speed. Speed is equal to gradient. This is the relationship, guys. Understand? Faham? Ini hubungan dia. Okay, distance over time is speed. Speed is your gradient. Okay? Faham? Okay, boleh. Okay. So clear, guys? Okay, so continue. Next one. Okay, so question 4. Come back to this. Okay, so guys, whenever you guys want to draw straight line, right? Paling senang, kamu kata T2 kosong, kamu kata S2 kosong. Very simple. Okay, so when T is 0, your S is 1.6. Correct? When S is 0, your T is equal to 8. Correct? So you just need to plot 2 points. So you just plot 0, 1.6, and 80. Kamu plot dua coordinate ni lah. Cukup. Okay? So you guys no need to do like this, you know. Some of you might do like this. You go and draw like this. T, S, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of you will go and do like this. 6, 7, 8. Lepas tu kamu cari semua nilai ni. You find 8, you find 9 values. No need guys. Tak perlu buat macam ni tau. Bazir masa. Okay? Can you see guys? Which table is simpler? Mana yang nampak lebih senang? A or B? Common sense guys. Yeah, of course B lah. Okay, yang ni paling senang kan? So you guys draw the B one. Okay, no need to go and do the A one. Okay, wasting time. Okay, no need to do every single value 0 until 8. Okay, no need. So you guys can see here. Direct. Okay, so you can get this graph. So again guys, you see this graph. Gradient. Negative or positive? Yeah, I know. Keturunan. Anyone? Keturunan kat sini? Yes. Okay, it's negative. Correct. Okay, so but when I ask you guys to talk about speed, laju, positive or negative? Careful lah guys. Laju. I told you guys. Yes. Okay, whenever you guys talk about speed, the answer always positive. Okay, selalunya kena bagi jawapan positif. Kalau soalan tanya, laju. Ingat. Okay, because speed is scalar quantity. Quantity scalar always don't have negative. Okay, always positive. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so you guys can count and see. So 1.6 divided by 8 lah. Okay, so 1.6 over 8 is 0.2. Okay, understand guys? So this is your speed. Okay, laju kamu. 0.2 kilometer per minute. Okay, so you can always put the unit kilometer per minute. Okay, understand guys? All of you clear? Jelas? So this is the basics of distance time graph. Okay, some other things that you guys need to know. Okay, so now you guys focus on OA, guys. Now we talk about OA. Okay, so for OA, the gradient is positive. This one you all agree. Okay, keturunan dia kat sini positive. So M equal to positive. Okay, this is what you can interpret. And then the gradient represent the speed. Correct? Okay, keturunan mewakili kelajuan and it is a constant speed. Constant or uniform speed. Okay, dia adalah laju yang seragam. So this is how you guys describe. Okay, cara huraikan. Okay, so they say the distance is actually S1 meter in a time of T1 second. Okay, so make sure when you guys describe, right, you need to tell these values also. Okay, kamu kena bagi tahu nilai ni berapa bila huraikan gerakan. So question will ask you like describe the motion of OA. Okay, huraikan gerakan kat OA. So kamu kena bagi tahu 3 perkara. Always these 3 things. First thing, you tell the speed. Second, you tell the distance. Third, you tell the time. All this information must be in your answer. Understand guys? Semua info ni kena ada. Laju, jarak, masa. Bila suruh huraikan. Okay? Faham guys? Boleh dapat? So jangan bagi tahu saja, contoh bagi tahu laju saja. Tak bagi tahu jarak dan masa. Tak dapat maka penuh. Okay? To get full marks, all the 3 must have. All. Okay? Understand? Are you all clear? Can, Boleh. Okay, so next one. Anytime you guys got question, please tell, okay? No need to be shy. Kalau ada soalan, boleh tanya. Okay, so now next part. Okay, so now you guys focus on AB. Okay, so AB is a horizontal line, guys. So if horizontal line, what is the gradient, guys? May I know? Apa laju dia? Yes. Okay, your gradient is 0. Correct. Okay, kosong. Alright. So gradient 0 means what, guys? Gradient 0 means that your speed is also 0. Correct? Laju kamu juga kosong. So, stationary lah, guys. Okay, your object is stationary, or you can say not moving. Stationary or not moving. Dalam BM, pegun. Okay? So ini maksud dia kalau garisan dia adalah mengufuk. Okay? Horizontal line means stationary. Okay? Because you're not moving any distance. Okay? Your distance is still the same. So for AB, you can say 0 gradient and then your movement has been stopped lah. Okay? Means pegun and is stationary. Make sure you guys must mention the time. How long is it stationary? Okay? Oh, it's okay, no problem. Okay? So, kamu kena bagi tahu berapa lama dia pegun. Okay, so berapa lama kamu boleh kira lah. T2 minus T1. This value is T2 minus T1. Okay? So guys, K-bar, I ask you guys a K-bar question now. Are you ready? All of you? Sedia? For K-bar? Okay, so the K-bar is, okay, interesting question. Okay, still distance time graph, guys. Don't worry. Masih graph jarak masa. Okay, so distance, time. Okay, now you guys tell me, let's say one day I draw a vertical line. Saya lukis garis menegak, guys. Apa maksudnya? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? Dari segi laju, in terms of speed, what is the meaning of this? If I draw a vertical line, horizontal line stationary. Okay, kalau dia mengufuk, dia tergun lah. So kalau dia menegak, maksudnya apa? Okay, correct. You can say undefined can. Time stop. It doesn't mean time stop. Masa tak berhenti ya, guys. Okay. Mana tiada kelajuan? Ada kelajuan, guys. Kalau cakap tiada kelajuan salah. Yes. It means that your speed is infinity. Do you understand, guys? Kelajuan kamu sudah capai nilai yang terlalu besar. Infinity speed. Because when you have straight line, what is your gradient, guys? Kecerunan untuk garis menegak berapa? Gradient is y over x. Nilai y berapa? Okay, katakanlah nilai y kat sini 8. Okay, example. Let's say it's 8. Nilai x, what is your x value? X value over here actually is 0. Because it's all the same value. Am I right? Semua nilai x kat sini contoh 3. So this point, maybe 310. This point, 340. Semua 3 kan? So x tu kosong lah. Perbezaan dia. Okay, 3 minus 3, 0. So guys, 8 over 0. Infinity. Correct? So if gradient infinity means what? Speed. Speed also infinity. Faham? Kalau kecerunan tu infinity, maka laju juga infinity. Maksudnya apa, guys? Orang ni dia tak hargai nyawa. Saya boleh kata yang tu lah. Okay? This person don't care about his life. He just want to speed until he die. Lucky in Malaysia got speed limit. Malaysia got speed limit kan kat highway. Berapa laju kena pergi? I think 110 km sejam, right? 110 km per hour speed limit. But guys, do you know some country, certain country like Germany? You guys see Germany, Germany got no speed limit. Do you all know that? Kat negara tu tak ada had laju tau. Kamu boleh memandu selaju pun boleh. Depend on you. Kamu bebas untuk memandu berapa kamu nak. Yeah, it depend on you. So you can memandu sampai infinity pun tak ada masalah. Okay? So yeah, this is the meaning of this graph. Understand? Someone is doing suicide. No lah. Sometimes it's for fun. Okay, untuk shock sendirilah boleh kata. Okay? But must be careful also lah. Germany wants to decrease population. I don't see why. Boleh dengar suara? Still clear? I thought suddenly it went blur. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Understand, guys. But don't worry, SPM won't ask this, guys. Okay, usually I think that SPM won't ask this type of question, but in case, okay, kalau dia tanya, kamu tahulah apa jawapan dia. Okay, confirm dia takkan bagi soalan macam ni. Always is horizontal line only. Okay, because this type of speed is like, how to say, it's not logic lah, guys. Okay, tak boleh guna dalam kehidupan harian. Melainkan nak matilah. Okay, alright, so next one. BC. Okay, so for BC, guys, BC, your gradient is positive. Okay, so same step. Okay, so BC also positive, so means that it is continuing lah. Okay, dia pergi saja. Okay, so you guys can check and see gradient OA BC. Guys, do you think the gradient is the same or different based on what you guys see? Sama atau berbeza? Sama kan? Is the same. So means that the speed over here and the speed over here is the same. Okay, laju kedua-dua tempat ni dia 100% sama. Ini konsep dia. Okay, so dia bergerak, lepas tu henti, lepas tu bergerak. Itu konsep dia. Okay, can guys? So this is how you interpret your distance time graph. Alright. Okay, so now, okay, sometimes the distance time graph can be trapezium. Just now is triangle. Now is trapezium. Okay, bentuk dia lah. Okay, so now how to interpret. Okay, so this one, this part, okay, we focus OP first. So for OP is positive gradient. Okay, kecerunan positive, and then the distance S meter, T1 second. Okay, so this one, the speed, guys, is it constant or not constant? Malah atau tidak? Yeah. Okay, this one is constant speed lah, because straight line. Okay, garis lurus maksudnya halaju malah. Sorry, laju malah. Okay, you should say laju malah. Alright. Okay, constant speed. Okay, so OP settle, and then for PQ again, gradient 0, so it's stationary, bagun, and you must tell the time lah. Okay, bagi tahu masa dia. So this one simple. Okay, V equal to 0. Okay, now the interesting part is here, guys. QR. QR is going down, you know. Jarak dia tengah berkurang tau. Your distance is going down. Means that what? What is happening, guys, to the speed here? This one. Yeah, okay, laju tu tengah berkurang lah. Okay, it's a decreasing velocity uniformly. Laju tu berkurang secara seragam. Not velocity. I must say speed. Decreasing speed uniformly. No. Not deceleration. Wait. Yeah, you cannot say deceleration because it's constant. Okay? This one here, the speed is constant, right? Rishi, you agree, right? Constant speed means what? Zero acceleration. Am I right? You got study, right? Yeah. So that's why the acceleration here is 0. Okay, tak ada pecutan, guys. Kat sini atau sini tak ada. Okay, hanya laju tu berkurang secara seragam. Okay, just decreasing speed uniform. Okay, because as you guys know, acceleration is velocity over time. Correct? Kamu tahu kan, guys, rumus ni untuk pecutan. So, kalau kadar perubahan halaju ni kosong, maksudnya pecutan juga kosong lah. Faham tak? Okay? Because your change in velocity is now 0. Because constant. Okay? Laju tu malah. So, maksudnya tak ada perubahan. Tak ada perubahan laju, maksudnya pecutan juga kosong lah. Okay? Itu konsep dia. Okay? Can guys? Okay, so next part. Okay, so for QR, you can say negative gradient. Okay, kecerunan negative, and it show that the object is going back to the original place. Okay, dia bergerak kepada tempat asal ataupun bergerak pada arah bertentangan. Okay, either you're going back to original place, which is O, so it's something like this. Okay, or you are going opposite direction. As what I told you guys, you walking to your school. Okay, kamu gerak ke sekolah. This way and this way. So this one is go. This one is come back. Okay, pergi dan balik. So over here to the right. Speed, if you talk speed, here is positive. Okay, laju dia positive. Over here also positive. Dua-dua laju positive, but your direction is different. Arah tengah berbeza. Okay, direction is different, so logic, your graph also should be different lah. Am I right? One graph is going up, the other graph is going down. Okay, satu naik, satu turun, because you go and come back. That is the concept. Okay, can guys? Boleh faham the concept here? Clear? Can Okay. Okay, got another concept actually want to tell you guys. Guys, you want to listen this concept or not? Daily life. I suddenly think of a good idea to explain this speed. Guys, want to listen? You guys know lah what topic I'm going to talk about. Maybe some don't know, but those know who will know. Okay, guys, very simple. To make you guys laugh a bit also lah. Nak kamu gembira sikit. Okay, so guys, let's say this is a boy. Sorry, I cannot say a boy. Let's say this is what name? Ali. I don't want Ali lah. Let's say this one is Kumar. Okay, this one is Kumar, boy. Let's say this is a girl. Okay, This is who? You guys give your name lah. I choose. Okay, let's say this one Akira Mochi. Simple. Use your name lah. Since your name always can see. So guys, let's say Kuma is interested in her. Dia cinta. So guys, you think guys, now Kuma want to walk towards Akira Mochi. Dia tengah jalan So guys, kat sini dia akan positif atau negatif? Kamu cuba fikir. Bila seseorang lelaki nak seseorang perempuan, dia akan gerak laju kat sini atau perlahan? Common sense. Will he go fast or go slow? Laju kan? So when laju means positive kan? Positive, right? Okay, always will be positive lah. No matter who is the girl here, tak kira siapa-siapa pun is still positive. Correct? But let's say now he needs to come back already. Dia sudah bergaul habis, dia kena balik. Yang ni balik. So balik ni dia rasa positif atau negatif? Kamu cuba fikir. After balik dia tengah berkurang kan? When he walks back, he will walk slower. Dia akan gerak lebih perlahan. Sebab sedih kan? Very sad. Kena balik. So guys, do you understand the concept now? Faham tak? This is the concept of your graph. Your distance time graph. I can draw distance time graph. No worry guys. Correct lah? This is the distance time graph. This one is Kuma go. This one is Kuma come back. Dia balik kat sini. Middle, kat tengah-tengah, enjoy. Enjoy maksudnya dia bergaul lah dengan perempuan tu. Okay? Talking to the girl. So when talk to the girl, stationary lah guys. Dia tak gerak. Okay? Simple. Distance time graph. Okay? Graph jarak melawan masa. Okay? Understand? Kuma balik sebab I reject. Why reject? Give chance to Kuma lah. I didn't say reject guys. I didn't say reject. I just say he talked already and now it's time to go back. Dia kena balik rumah. Itu saja. Saya tak cakap dia kena reject. Faham tak? Saya kata dia pergi jumpa seseorang, bergaul, lepas tu balik. Saya tak bagi tahu keputusan apa. Faham tak? I want to focus on my career. Okay lah. Can. Career girl. Okay? This kind of people is called career girl. Okay, so next one. Number 4. Contoh 4. Okay, so now we see another situation. What if Kuma wants to pursue the same career? That different story lah. Guys, if you want to know how is the graph, I draw for you. Ini macam mana graph tu nampak. Kalau case macam ni. Distance, time. Dia pergi macam ni lepas tu macam ni saja. Kamu faham guys? Dia tak gerak dari situ. Dia maintain kat situ saja. Dia tak mau balik. He don't want to come down. He just want to maintain over here. Stationary lah. Tak gerak apa-apa. Okay? So this is the K-drama graph. K-drama graph nampak macam ni. Okay, this one is real life. Real life macam ni. Situasi harian. Okay? So you know the real life and the K-drama. What is the difference? Okay, I talk to you in terms of maths lah guys. Dari segi matematik macam ni. Okay? So guys, you see mathematics very fun kan? Siapa kata maths tu boring? Sebenarnya menarik kalau kamu fikir dengan cara yang betul. Okay? Alright, so now contoh 4. Okay, so this is the graph guys. So they say, okay, OA is the car. Okay, gerakan kereta from Puchong to Melaka. Okay, so this one is Puchong. This one is Melaka. Okay. So yeah, you guys must imagine lah. Okay, yang atas tu Melaka, yang bawah tu Puchong. That's all. Okay, and then BC is the bus. Okay. So they want you guys to find the difference in the speed. Okay, beza laju. Okay, so guys, you count for OA first. Can you tell me what is the speed laju dia? You focus for OA first. Yeah. Okay, so you just take 150 divide by 2. So the answer is 75 unit kilometer per jam. Okay, so km per jam. Okay. All right. And then now for the bus, can you guys tell me? Yang hijau. What is the speed? Make sure you guys know how to count. Okay, use the formula. Distance over time. Jawab bagi masa. Anyone? answer. This one careful lah guys. I'm asking speed hati-hati. Yes. Okay, remember speed always positive. So 150 over 3. Okay. So you just put 150 over 3. Your answer. Don't put negative guys. Jangan letak negative. Okay, so the difference beza dia adalah 75 minus 50. Okay, so the final answer is 25 lah. 25 beza dia. Okay, so you can see the working step. Can you see guys? Cuba nampak dia letak positif atau negatif. Wait nampak kat sini. Can you see guys? They convert from negative to positive. Reason? Because you can see that tanda negatif bermakna arah gerakan bas persiaran bertentangan. Negative only show that the direction is opposite to each other. Nothing else. Negative is showing direction. Remember, direction. Arah. Okay, faham guys? So that's why you need to convert to positive because speed, laju is a scalar quantity. Okay, so quantity scalar. So that's why 75 minus 50. Because if you put negative 50, right guys, kalau kamu ambil negative 50, jawapan dia jadi macam ni. Dia beza. Nampak? Can you see the difference? Totally wrong already. Your answer is not the same if you take negative. Okay? So tak boleh ambil negatif Okay? Sebab laju. Alright? Okay, so yeah. Next one. So far clear guys? Semua jelas for the first question. We just try to discuss some questions so that you guys can understand. Okay, so now this question. They ask you guys what is the time the car is stationary. Apa tempoh masa dia guys? Kereta pegun. Senang? What's the answer? Stationary. Yes. 3 minus 2 Jerome Lee. Okay, always take the bigger one minus smaller one. Besar tolak kecil. Okay, 3 minus 2. You take 2 minus 3 you know what it means. Okay, negative 1 hour means what? Guys, negative 1 hour means that you going back in time. Kamu pergi masa silam. So I don't know why you go back in time lah. Unless your childhood is very interesting, then yes lah, I understand. Okay, kalau kamu rasa zaman muda tu sangat menarik, okay lah, boleh masa negatif. Kalau rasa tak menarik, okay, positif lah guys. Okay, we look forward to the future. Okay, kita tak mau lihat yang sudah berlalu. Okay, look to the future. Okay, so yeah, 1 hour. Okay, so next one, part 2. Okay, laju kereta sejam yang pertama. Okay, so they ask you guys, what is the speed for the first hour? So you guys need to count gradient. So anyone? Hey, careful. It's not 150 Hati-hati. Remember guys, this whole line, right, is the same gradient. Seluruh garis ni kecerunan dia sama tau. Yeah. Okay, so the answer is actually 150 over 2. Do you understand? Jawapan dia 75 km per jam. Okay, 75 kilometers per hour. Because this point over here, you don't know. Am I right? You don't know what is this value. Correct? Tak tahu kan? Tak apa. Kamu masih boleh guna yang ni. Sebab yang ni garis lurus. Garis lurus, kecerunan dia sama. Tak kira apa-apa titik kamu ambil. Faham tak? You can choose any single point. This point, this point, this point. So you choose the point that you have info lah. Okay, pilih yang kamu boleh kira. Okay? So the answer is 75 kilometers per hour. Okay? Understand guys? So far? Jelas? Can Okay, so now they want you guys to describe huraikan gerakan kereta untuk tempoh 90 minit terakhir. So now is description. Okay, so 90 minutes. 90 minutes means that 3.5 until 5. Okay, but be careful. This one is hour, guys. Okay, so you need to convert to minute. Okay, so 5 hour. How many minutes, guys? Can you tell me? 5 jam in term of minute. So you guys must know 1 jam berapa minit? Yes. Okay, so this one is 300 minute, correct? Okay, this one, guys, 3.5 to minute. Ini one 3.5 jam kepada minit. Yes. Okay, this one is 210 minutes. Correct. Okay, so that's why you can see the difference is 90 minutes. Nampak? Okay, so this is where they want you guys to describe. Okay, so is this part, this whole part, trapezium. Okay, so wait, I rub this first. Okay, so yeah, this one. So guys, first thing, what you guys need to find, kena cari apa? Kalau nak huraikan, remember the three information I told you all. Ada 3 info. First one is what? Yang pertama. Anyone? The first one. Yes. Okay, speed, time, distance, correct. Okay, so time you already have the answer. Okay, time is 90 minutes. Okay, you can say 90 minutes. Okay, and then the distance you can say, this one you guys need to be smart a bit. Okay, because this value you don't have. Tak ada kan? So distance, you need to be careful. You can find speed first. Okay, you can get the speed. Speed, you use gradient 4.5. Okay, wait guys. 4. Sorry. 90 minutes means this one cannot. Sorry guys. Because this one is 4.5. Sorry. Saya buat silap. You guys must see this one. 3 until 4.5. This is 90 minutes. Okay, because they stop at 4.5. So yang ni. Sorry guys. I make mistake. Okay, this one wrong. Okay, you guys must convert the 4.5. Okay, 4.5 kepada minit is 270. This one is 180. So beza dia 90 lah. Okay, 90 minutes. Alright. Because this part tak ada graph dah. Okay, there is no graph over here. Okay. Alright. So yeah, now you guys can see already. Okay, what is the distance, guys? May I know? Jarak dia based on this graph. How much? 150 to 70. So distance? Anyone? Apa jarak dia? Yes. Okay, 270 minus 150. So your answer is 120. Okay, make sure put unit guys. km. Okay, and then your time is 90 minutes. Okay, and now you need to find the speed. Okay, cari laju dia. So speed, anyone can tell me the answer? What do you guys get? So you just use the coordinate. Okay, coordinate is 4.5, 270, 4.5, 270, and coordinate is 350. So boleh tekan calculator lah guys. 270 minus 150 over 4.5 minus 3. You get the answer. Okay, so answer is 80. Yes. Okay, 80 kilometers per hour. Faham tak guys? Okay, so kamu sudah ada 3 info lah. Okay, so this is how you guys write the answer. Okay, kereta bergerak sejauh 120 km dengan kelajuan 80 km per jam bagi tempoh 90 minit. Can you see guys? Got 3 information. 1, 2, 3. This is how you guys describe. Okay, you tell the distance, you tell the speed, you tell the time. Okay, this is how you get full mark. Okay, why is it j minus 1? Oh, the logic is because you are doing distance over time. Correct, Jerome? So distance is km, time is jam. So when you shift up, is power negative 1. Indices law, hukum index. Faham tak? This is the concept. Okay, can guys? Faham so that's why kilometer per jam. Okay, but yes, you can also write this way guys. Let's say you guys don't like, right? Kamu tak suka yang tu kan, yang ni boleh juga. Tak ada masalah. Okay, you can give this as your final answer. Okay, kilometer per jam. But just choose one guys. Guna satu saja. Okay, either one. Okay. So this is the concept. Alright. Okay, so next one. Contoh 6. Okay, so this one is the trapezium. Usually for distance time graph, right guys, got only 2 shapes. First shape is trapezium. Second shape, triangle. Dua saja. Okay, it cannot be different one. Okay, so now the question asks you what is the total distance. jumlah jarak perjalanan. Okay, so can you guys tell me total your distance? They want total guys. Take note. The keyword here is total. Jumlah jarak. Yes, very good. This one is 2, this one is 2. So you must plus. Okay, tambah dua-dua. So that's why the answer is 4 km. Okay, don't minus guys. Jangan buat 2 tolak 2 guys. 2 tolak 2 untuk sasaran. Displacement. When question asks displacement, then yes, 2 minus 2 because opposite direction. Okay, arah dia berlawanan. Okay, but now the question is distance, jarak, scalar quantity. Okay, all right. Now question 2, they ask you guys the value of t. Okay, berbasikal kelajuan 8 km per jam. Okay, so now she's cycling with 8 kilometers an hour. So over here is 8 km per hour. Okay, so you need to find the value of t. So guys, take note tengok paksi X betul-betul. Guys, do you know this thing? All of you? This thing is called as the 24-hour system. Kamu kena tahu maksud dia. So example, if it's 0920, what it means, guys? What is the time? Can you type out? AM or PM? Yes. Okay, so this one is 9:20 AM. And then this one, yeah, this one all you know lah. Okay, 9:50 AM, 10:10 AM. So kamu kena kira dari sini. Okay, all right. So yeah, okay, you just need to find the coordinate T2 and this one. Okay, this one you must be careful. Okay, this one you can assume is 0, 0. Okay, boleh anggap kosong kosong. Because you want to just find the coordinate. Okay, so you just use 8 speed equal to distance over time. Okay, 2 over t. So t is actually 1 over 4. Okay, 1 over 4 is 0.25. Okay, so 0.25 means that this is in hour, guys. Okay, yang ni dalam jam. So you must convert to minute. Okay, so 0.25 you convert to minute, you will get the answer. Okay, so you will get 935. It should be 35, Akiva Mochi. This one times 60. Okay, so you get 15. So 9 plus 15. Okay, 920 plus 15. Okay, so 920 plus 15, you will get the answer. Okay, this one, 935. Okay, understand? So this is how you answer part 2. Boleh faham guys konsep dia? Are you clear? And okay, so next one, part B. Okay, so now they ask you guys to describe the journey from pejabat pos kepada rumah. Okay, so this one guys. So now it's described already. So you must know what are the quantities for this part. Okay, so again, distance guys, we start one by one. What is the distance over here? Jarak. Yes. Okay, so distance is 2 km. Okay, what is the time, guys? Masa? You can tell in minutes lah. Yeah. Okay, you guys will get 20 minutes, correct? Okay, so what is the speed? Laju? This one you guys need to count. Okay, must count one. 0.2 kilometer per minute. Okay, so this one is let me see. Okay, this one you must be careful a bit, guys. Okay, because this one is the 24-hour system, you know. Okay, 24 jam. So how you guys count the time is you can count it normal. Okay, you can count it like this. Okay, you just need to minus, but this one is hour. You must take note. Okay, sorry. This one is minute. So you need to convert to hour. Minute tukar kepada jam bahagi 60. Okay, you need to divide by 60. So that's why the final answer for speed is 6 km per hour. Okay, understand, Jerome? Get it, and also the rest. And make sure negative change to positive. Okay, because speed laju tu kena positive saja. Okay, So this is the concept. Okay. Simpler method. Okay, let me see if we got simpler method. Hold on. Divide 61. Okay. Okay, there is no simpler method. Can only do this way. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so 10 minus 950 over 60. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah. Okay, can only do this way. Okay. Can guys? So yeah, the answer is distance 2 km, time 20 minutes, speed 6 kilometer per jam. Okay. Any problem, guys? All can. But guys, if let's say this one you give your answer in term of minute, right? Okay, if you give your answer in minute, this is how it looks like. 6 kilometer per jam means that 6 km per 1 hour, right? So if you convert hour to minute, 1 hour 60 minutes, so your answer is actually 0.1. If you guys give this answer pun boleh. Kalau kamu bagi tahu nilai ni betul. Still correct. So you can say 6 km per jam or 0.1 km per minute. So there is option for you guys. Kamu boleh pilih mana-mana satu. That's all. You just choose which one is easier lah for you. Okay. All right. So next one. Okay. So next one you guys study is how to count average speed. Average speed is a very famous question. Okay. Laju purata. So the concept is just remember the keyword is total. Okay. Kena ada perkataan jumlah. Yeah. Total distance divide by total time. Total is very important. Okay. Jarak bagi masa. Okay. So you can see the example here, guys. They ask you guys to count the laju purata Puan Zabeda dari Segamat ke Muar. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So Segamat to Muar. So yeah, you guys can use the formula. So total distance 80, total time 1.5. So direct 80 bahagi 1.5. So your answer is 53.33 kilometer per hour. Okay, dapat guys konsep dia? So this is how you count the total. So this is how you get it. Okay. Okay, so next one. Okay, so now the question asks if the rate of change of distance towards time. Question sangat panjang guys. Kadar perubahan jarak terhadap masa. Semua ni maksudnya apa guys? Quantity apa? Rate of change of distance with time. Means that the question talking about what? Speed over time. Sorry, distance over time. Yeah, means speed lah. Okay, maksud seluruh perkataan ni dia kata laju lah. Okay, jika laju kereta dari Segamat ke Tangkak ialah 50 km per jam. Faham tak? Sebab kadar perubahan jarak terhadap masa ialah laju. This is the thing you must get. Okay. Alright. So Segamat to Tangkak. So yeah, this part only lah. Focus on this part. They want you guys to find Tangkak to Muar. Okay. So kamu kena cari S lah. Okay. So how to find S? Gradient. Okay. Because speed is the gradient. So coordinate. Okay. You can use coordinate 0, 0 and 1S. Okay. So S minus 0 over 1 minus 0 equal to 50. So this is the answer, and then your S is equal to 50. Correct? S to 50 kan. So what is the distance from Tangkak to Muar? Anyone? So this one. How much? Yeah, 80 minus 50 lah. So jawapan dia 30. Understand? Yeah. Okay, so the answer is 30 km. Okay, and guys, clear. Okay, so now next one. Okay, they ask you guys to describe the motion. Uraikan gerakan kereta dari Segamat ke Muar. Now they are asking you total, you know guys. So you must talk about the total distance is 80, jumlah jarak 80, jumlah masa 1.5, total time is 1.5, and then average speed. Kamu kena bagi tahu laju purata. So all the information you guys already have. For the speed, right guys, when they talking about two different graphs, right? You can see here got one graph, here got another graph. So don't tell separately, you know. Tak perlu bagi tahu laju secara berasingan. Tak perlu cakap macam, okay, dari Segamat ke Tangkak, laju ni seberapa. Tangkak ke Muar, laju ni seberapa. Jangan. No need. No need to separate. One shot. You tell the average. That's why question ask you to find average in part A. You notice that, guys? Dia suruh cari laju purata sebab nak guna untuk jawapan kat C. Faham tak? So whatever answer you use on top, you will use it for the bottom part. Yeah. Direct only. Copy and paste. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer. Okay, so it goes 80 km, time 1.5, average speed 53.33. Simple, right? So this is the concept. Okay, all right. Still got 4 more. Can we finish? I think we can finish, right? Yeah, I think this one very short. Okay, so we see, guys, how far we can go. This is the last 4 questions already. Okay, so first one, okay, this question, they ask you guys to count the speed for the last hour. Okay, sejam yang terakhir. Okay, this one lah, guys, 1.5 to 2.5. So anyone? What do you guys get for speed? Direct to the answer. So this coordinate is 1.550, and then this coordinate is 2.500. So yeah, why not from 1? Because they ask last 1 hour. Understand? Sejam yang terakhir. Can you see? Sejam yang terakhir. So 1.5 to 2.5 is 1 hour. Okay? And it's the last one. Okay, yes. Okay, so you guys should get 50, 100 minus 50 over 2.5 minus 1.5. Just use the formula for gradient. So jawapan dia 50 km per hour. Okay, 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, clear, guys? Part A. Can, okay, next one. Part B. They ask you guys to describe the motion for 45 minutes after moving 50 km. Okay, after moving the first 50 km. So 45 minutes means that this one until this one lah. Okay, this one to this one, the stationary. So you guys can say velocity is 0. Sorry, no, speed is 0 for time of 45 minutes. That's all lah. Bagi tahu objek tu pergun atau tak bergerak untuk tempoh 45 minit. That's how you describe. Okay, so you can see here. There, you just say the car is stationary. Simple. Cakap dia pergun saja. Okay. Alright, and then C1. They ask you guys to count the average speed. Laju purata. Okay, so average speed total lah, guys. Okay, total distance over total time. So jumlah jarak bahagi jumlah masa. So 100 over 2.5. This is the average. Okay, so you press calculator, you can get the answer. The answer is 40. 40. Okay, clear, guys? Jelas? So you guys should get 40. Okay, next one. They ask you guys to describe the journey for the whole one. Okay, keseluruhan. So keseluruhan sangat senang. Jarak 100, masa 2.5, laju purata 40. Just need to mention all the 3 info. So this is the answer. Okay, distance 100, average speed 40, 2.5 hours. Okay, and boleh. Okay, so next one, question 2. Okay, so question 2, the question asks you, what is the difference in the speed? Okay, the difference of these 2 speed lah, guys. Okay, so you need to count separately. Okay, so first one, guys, can you count for this one? Cuba kira apa laju dia. So you just take direct 2 over 20. So you will get the answer is 0.1 kilometer per minute. Okay, and then this one, guys, what is the speed? This one you need to use formula. Okay, 22 and 50, 0. So 22 and 50, 0. So you can use gradient. Okay, cari keturunan. So it's 0 minus 2 over 50 minus 20. So you will get negative 2 over 30. So the answer is negative 0.066. But remember, you must say it is positive. Okay, make sure speed always positive, guys. So beza dia, tolak lah. Okay, tolak dua-dua ni. Okay, so if you minus both, you will get the answer. Okay, final answer is 0.1 minus answer 0.033. Okay, understand guys? Paham how to get the answer? Yeah. Okay, so this part A. Okay, laju purata, average speed. So you guys must find total distance over. Okay, so total distance is 4. Jumlah jarak 40, 4, 50. Okay, your total time is 50, but be careful lah guys. Kilometer per jam. Over here, your unit is minute. Can you see guys? So minute must convert to jam. Divide 60. So be careful with the unit guys. As I say, question can always trick you guys with the unit. Okay, so 4.8 kilometers per hour. Okay, paham? Can get the concept for part D. All these consider simple question, you know guys. Tenang saja. Okay, and then they ask you guys what is the, describe. Okay, you need to describe for 50 minutes. So this one total. So you'd say distance is 4, time 50 minutes, average speed 4.8. That's all. Settle. You already done describe. Can you see? Bagi tahu jarak, bagi tahu laju purata, bagi tahu masa. Okay, simple, right? Okay, next one. Question 3. Okay, so for question 3, they say that count the value of T if the speed is 50. Okay, tempat kerja ke pasaraya. Okay, so tempat kerja to pasaraya is PQ. This one. Okay, you focus on this one. They say the speed is 50. 50 kilometers per hour. Yes, yes. They will ask in exam one, guys. You got try the trial papers, right? You know it. These are the famous questions one. Okay. So this one, the point is T30 and 010. So you just need to use your formula. 30 minus 10 over T equal to 50. So you guys boleh nilai T. You should get the T value is 20 over 50. Okay, so T is 0.4. 0.4 is hours. Hours convert to minute times 60. Okay, kali 60, so it's 24 minutes. So 14, so 2 o'clock plus 24 minutes. So 14:24 lah guys. Okay, understand? Boleh faham? So you guys should get 14:24 for part A. Let me. Yes, correct. Okay, 14:24. Understand guys? Faham how I solve it? Can Okay, next one. They ask you guys to describe. Okay, describe the move of the car for QR. Okay, garis lurus QR. What is happening? May I know? Okay, can hear right? Wait, guys. It's clear, right? Okay, so yeah, for QR is Pergun kan? So stationary lah. Okay. So this one is stationary. Pergun. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you just say stationary and then you must tell how long lah guys. Masa dia, berapa lama dia pergun. Okay, so 15:30 minus 14:24. So you should get 66 minutes. Okay, 66 minutes. This one and this one, the time is 66 minutes. So yeah, this is the answer. Okay, for this one. Yeah, the car is stationary for 66 minutes. Okay, all right. And then part B2, they ask you guys to describe RS. So RS, again, same thing. The distance, jarak dia 30 km. And then the time, masa, 3:30 to 4:15. This one 4:15. This one 3:30. So it's 45 minutes. Okay, and then the speed. Okay, kamu kena kira laju. Okay, so for me, I will count, let me see. Okay, so it's 30 over, okay, I will give my answer in terms of kilometer per minute. Okay, so 30 over 45, 0.67 kilometers per minute. So ini cara dia. Okay, yeah, so you can see the answer here. Yeah. Can you see? Okay, this one is per hour, but you can convert to minute lah guys. Okay, so if you convert to minute, you will get the same answer. 0.67 kilometer per minute. Faham guys? So you can either give this one or this one. Pilih salah satu. Okay, and then distance and time. Okay, can Okay, next one. Last one. Terakhir. Okay, so the question say that the speed from school to the place, working place, 48. Okay, so let me see. OA is AB. Okay, AB, sekolah ke tempat kerja. Okay, so you guys focus on AB. Okay, this one is 48. The speed. Kilometer per jam, guys, is per hour. But this one minute. You need to be careful. Okay, so it's going to be 36 12 over t minus 10 over 60. Okay, make sure you guys convert to hour. Okay, kena tukar ke jam, equal to 48. So you guys just need to solve this. Okay, selesaikan persamaan ni. Okay, so you guys will 48 t minus 10 equal to 60 times 24. Okay, is 1440. Alright. Okay, so boleh cari. Okay, your t value should get 40. Okay, understand guys? Clear? Jelas? So this is how I find nilai t. Okay, final one. Okay, so they ask you guys for the whole keseluruhan perjalanan. Okay, so you need to count the average speed, laju purata. Okay, so 40 divide by 40 lah. Okay, so it's 1 kilometer per minute. Total distance is 40. Jumlah jarak 40. And you can say total time is 40 minutes. Okay, you can use the kilometer per minute also, Rishi. So you can say 1 km per minute. Doesn't mean need to say km per jam. Okay, yes. Okay, depend on yourself. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer. So you want kilometer per jam also can. You just need to convert lah guys. Okay, just need to do the conversion, then you will get. Okay, so 36 km, 40 minutes. Okay, how do you find 60? 60, which one? Which one you asking? How do you find class say is minute but answer 1 hour? I divide by 60 lah guys. Minute to hour. Understand? T minus 10 over 60. Okay, so that's why I get T is 40. Paham? Can Hey, sorry, this one I made mistake, guys. The distance is actually 36, you know. Sorry. I see the graph wrongly. It's 36 over here. Mistake. Okay, 36 over 40 is actually how much? You should get 0.9. Yeah. Okay, this one 0.9 correction, guys. Ada silap. Okay, because the graph until 36, 0.9 km per minute. Okay, so this one, if you guys convert to hour, you will get the same answer. Okay, in hour is 54. Okay, so 0.9 km per minute. Okay, so minute to hour is 1 over 60, right? This one will become 1 over 60. So it's times 60. Okay, 0.9 times 60. Yes. Okay, you get the answer is 54. Can you see guys? Nampak? So you just kena main dengan unit lah. Okay, you can choose either one of the unit to put as your answer. Okay, can guys? Are you all clear with the distance time graph? Semua jelas? Are you clear? Okay, so yeah, this is the for me lah. Okay, inilah kelas yang terakhir. Wah, so sad. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is the final class for me. Extend. Yes, is the final one. Correct. Yeah. And you guys know Korean, no? So, so sorry lah. But actually, I've been doing this for quite long already. So for those that joined for 9 months, this is the 9th month already, you know. January to September already. Almost your whole Form 4, 1 year. Almost 1 year already. So yeah, hopefully the class really helped you guys all this while. I watched K-drama before, what? Oh, okay. So yeah, this is the end lah. So guys, let's take a picture together since it's my final class. Are you guys okay to take picture together? Ambil gambar. Hopefully you guys are okay since it's the final one. Yes. Okay. So for those that want to take picture, you guys can open cam. We can take picture together. Okay, I already opened the setting, guys. So yeah, you guys can open also. Alright. Hold on, guys. Get ready, ya. So semua boleh buka lah. All can open. Last class, guys. With me, class terakhir. Come on. Let's take picture together. Sama-sama. Just show my hand. Hey, no need to be shy lah, guys. Come on. Lagi. I off the chat for a while lah, so that I can get a nice picture. Okay, lagi. Anyone else? Come on. Let's take picture. Anyone else want to open? I'm going to take already. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Green screen. Okay, hold on. Okay, one more. Siapa lagi nak buka? Satu lagi. Still got one more picture. Who else want to open? Come on. Spotting a bit, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey, now only got people start open. Wait, guys. Wow, this one need another picture. Got few more people open. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you very much, guys, for joining the class up till now. Really appreciate it. And yes, I want to wish you guys good luck for your Form 4 journey as well, and also SPM journey. Okay. So yeah, all the best. And thank you very much for supporting until this while. No worries. If you guys got any question, you can always come back to me. Okay. You got any maths or LMAths question, my WhatsApp is still available. Remember that. Can still WhatsApp me if you have any question for maths and admaths. I'm very sorry, but yeah. Okay. Surely you have other resources. Am I right? Who's going? The person is already there. She will communicate with you guys soon. I will talk to her, and then she'll arrange the time lah with you guys. They'll be continuing the class, but it's just not me lah. Okay. You find out yourself. Okay. But she's been teaching also. Okay. She got experience also. Will you come back? Might be. There might be a chance. Maybe in your Form 5 time when I'm more free. Who knows? Maybe in Form 5 time. So yeah. Until then, I got shark also. So cute. Okay, so until then, yeah, that's all lah. All right. Yeah, nice shark. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for joining the class. Hopefully it helped. Bye. Take care. All the best. Keep on fighting for maths and admaths. Yes, bye. Take care. Yes, thank you, Lorena. All the best. Yes, love you too, Simon. Love you guys. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care. Any other questions? The rest here? Yes, thank you for everything. Appreciate a lot. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, guys. Yes, thank you so much. I mean, good luck for SPM, okay?